Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Sorry. This is Teacher Rachel and welcome to A Plus Tutor. This is our channel and I would like to invite all of you to please support the channel by liking it, leaving a comment and subscribing to it. Thank you very much to all the new subscribers. My friends, dear friends, lovely people, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. From the bottom of my heart, from your teacher Rachel, from teacher Rach, okay? I really appreciate that. Oops, you hear that sound? I don't have to edit that. Okay, that's the man selling bread here in our place every day, every morning. It's just so happened today, you can hear him from in the background. Okay, so again, thank you people for watching, liking, subscribing, and don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to A Plus Tutor. Today, okay, I'm going to upload some pictures and clips of my students in class. Actually, I'm going to upload a short clip for of my student Raj. And because I'm so proud of him, the progress that he has made in the class when it comes to reading and writing. Okay, I was able to record a little part of that reading practice. You know, we started from scratch, really, as in, although he's a little bit older, but his reading ability was really challenged and you know, he's improving and he has improved a lot. He has been reading with me for 2 months, okay, for 2 months, like 40 days, because I only have like 20 days cycle for the lesson. One session is 20 days and they already had two sessions with me, so that's 40. Okay, 40 days to be exact. And I really am very glad with the progress that he has made. Really good, you know. He couldn't even read the vowels at first. He couldn't even read the consonants. He don't know the sounds of those things. No, zero at all. Okay, but now, because he's been listening and he's been very active, like participating. Well, you know, kids sometimes are they have their times of, you know, feeling bored in class, but it's really very overwhelming when you see your student, you know, improve, if you see the progress there. So I always tell my the parents of my students that to keep the habit, right? You know, it's a very good practice that they keep the habit of reading every day or learning every day. It might not be in my class, it could be at home or with their parents, but don't let them stop reading, okay? Let them read the lessons that we had every day, okay? So I'm gonna upload it here also, all right? And thank you for listening, even if my voice is really hoarse. I think this voice is already okay. Yesterday was really bad, so that's why I went to bed early last night, because I have a class in the morning and I have to have this good voice. Not good voice, still hoarse, but it's better than yesterday. Okay, so thank you again to all my subscribers, to the new subscribers. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your support. Okay, just leave a comment here and I will reply to them. Okay, also for the inquiries, okay, for your inquiries on how to get hold of me, for you to contact me, please, I'm going to write down the link, the link to my Facebook page below on the description box, and then you can message me there. I do have my Facebook page, A Plus Tutorial Center, or RBA Plus Rach Reading and Tutorial Services. Take note of that, okay? It has the RBA Plus Rach Reading and Tutorial Services. And then I have my personal Facebook account. Okay, it's Rach, R-A-C-H-E. Okay, Rach. I do have my IG account. You can message me there, or you can add me or follow me, DM me through my IG. It's A Plus Tutor 15. It's APLUSTUTOR 15. And then I do have also my, what else? Of course, my YouTube channel, okay? And just also, how about WhatsApp? Yes, my Facebook page for A Plus Tutorial Center or RBA Plus Rage. You can see the slash there on the page. RBA Plus Rage Reading and Tutorial Services. My WhatsApp account there is connected to my number. Okay, so it's 0919-358-9014. So that's how you can get hold of me. That's how can you contact me. Okay, I'm going to leave all those things in the description box. Okay, in my description box. Please read the description box and make sure that you would be able to schedule a video call with me. Okay, do not make a deal. Okay, do not schedule classes without having to video call me. Okay, I give like a 10 to 15 minutes trial classes to assess the progress or the level of your child. Okay, so that I would know what type of class or what are the lessons that we can give or we can offer to your child. Okay, so just read the comments, read the description box later. I'm gonna post it there. Okay, and maybe we can be friends on Facebook also. So just message and follow my page. Okay, so what else? I'll see you again next time, guys. Please watch and let's leave a comment for Raj to to motivate him to study more, to read more. Okay, our children needs that. Our students need that since because of the pandemic, they've been studying online, so it has a toll on their mental health. So the motivation that we give to our students and our children, they're very important. Okay, so I'll see you again. Bye, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I'm out. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, one more, Raj. Okay. Kita mo na si teacher? Can you see me na? Yes. Okay, we'll start from the sound of H. Okay? Lakasan ha, Raj. Lakasan mo yung sound mo. Okay? Ang sound ng H ay, what's the sound of H? Okay, syllables.
He, ho, ha.
All right, good job. Okay, we'll start from this word.
Hat. Hat.
Good job. Next.
He, hen.
Okay, next.
Ho, b, ho,
Okay, hop. Hop.
ha.
Hop. Okay, next.
F, h, ham.
Okay, next.
He, t, heat.
Good. Okay, next.
Ha, ham.
Okay, galing, Raj. Very good. Next.
Ha, k, hag.
Okay, next. This one.
G.
Hmm.
Ga.
Oh, start from here.
Ga.
Okay, ulit.
Ha.
Ha. This is ha.
Ha.
Mm-hmm.
G. Hug.
Okay, hug. Yakap. Next.
He. L. Hell.
All right. Next.
He. Him.
Okay, very good. Next.
He. His.
Okay, next.
He. Him.
Okay, next.
Ho. G. Hog.
All right. Hog or hog. Next.
Ho.
Paw.
Ho. T. Hot.
Okay, hot or hot. Yung o anak para siyang nandito lang Hot, no? Hot. Hot. Pero pag sinabi mo siyang hot, sometimes pwede na rin. Okay? Basta ma-practice mo siya na siya ay hot, mainit. No? Hot. Okay, next. This one?
Huh.
Huh? And then?
T. Hut.
Okay, bahay kubo. Very good. Okay, very good, Raj. Let's try to answer activity. Last time, no? Nag-activity tayo. Okay, let's do the activity. Very good, Raj. Ang next lesson natin is ja at saka ja and then l. O, diba? We're about to finish. Okay, galingan mo lang, ha? So, let's do the activity. Okay? Okay, let's do the activity. Wait. Okay, I'll stop